Now you see binomial theorem. All of you know the binomial theorem. X plus y whole power n, where n is a positive integer, equal to nc0 x power n y power 0 plus nc1 x power n minus 1 y power 1 nc2 x power n minus 2 y power 2 and so on. Last term is ncn x power 0 y power n, where n is a positive integer. Okay, how to prove this one? Actually, this is the syllabus of class 11th maths. To prove this one, we have to use induction. But I want to tell without using mathematical induction the proof of the binomial theorem. For this, a little bit permutations and combinations concept is required. That is very simple. For example, 3x and 2y's. How many ways we can arrange? This you know very well. Number of ways of arranging these 3x and 2y's. Total 5, 5 factorial by x are 3, 3 factorial, y's are 2, 2 factorial. This is nothing but 5c3 or 5c2. 5c2. That much only we required to prove this binomial theorem. How to prove this one? Now you see, we will go for, we can write this binomial theorem in sigma form. Otherwise, one thing I will do, instead of n, I will take for 5 and I will explain. X plus y whole power 5. See, the problem is here only to write the binomial coefficients only. Variable terms you can write. In first term, what is the variable term will come? X power 5. X power 5, if you want to write y power 0. In second term, what will come? X power 4, y power 1. Third term, x power 3, y power 2. Fourth term, x power 2, y power 3. Fifth term, x, y power 4. And sixth and last term is y power 5 or x power 0. Only thing, the quotients we have to write. For example, these quotients are a0 plus a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 plus a5. These a's values if you find, then your binomial theorem will be completed. For example, I want a2 value. a2 value means what? Coefficient of x cube y square. What is this a2? How many times x cube y square will come? That we have to calculate. Now you tell that how many ways x cube y square can be formed? With 3x and 2y's. 3x and 2y's, how many ways you can form? How many ways you can arrange? That is already I told. This is 5 factorial by total 5 are there, and 3x's are there, 3 factorial, 2y's are there, 2 factorial. So this is nothing but either 5c3 or 5c2. Now you see that this a2 is nothing but either 5c3 or 5c2. According to its place, we will decide that. How many? Now you tell that how many ways you can arrange x y power 4. X y power 4 is total 5 factorial by 1 factorial into 4 factorial. That is 5c4. So now we will replace these all values. Here I will write all a1, a2 and so on. a0 you can write 5c. a0, actually a0 is 1, so 5c0. a1 5c1, a2 5c2, a3 5c3, a4 5c4 and a5 again it is 1 5c5. Now you replace these values in place of a0, a1 and so on. then you will get the binomial theorem.